Hi, I'm Brad Nicol, author of Ultimate iPhone DNG and a few other books that are about to come onto the market on the iBook store in the not too distant future. Now, today's question relates to image stacking apps. There's quite a few of them on the market, and the claims generally are that by using one of these apps you will reduce the noise level in the file and get a sharper image. Is that true? Well, you'll get less noise. There's no doubt about that. By the time you've stacked about 8 frames, you probably aren't going to see any noise at all when the result is averaged out. But it's highly unlikely, and in my experience never occurred, that you actually get more detail. You see, the problem is that the standard iPhone JPEG processing is set up to remove noise as part of the processing method. And this happens before it actually gets into the app's processing. So what you will find is that because the iPhone has removed the noise from all the individual files, it's also removed the textual detail and information. So when you stack them together, you will reduce any of the noise that was left, but you won't actually find any additional fine textual detail there because it's been obliterated in the initial processing. Now, it's quite true that these apps will help you get better results if you shoot under very low light. Certainly, if you are shooting at 600, 800 ISO and higher, and you use one of these image stacking apps, you will get cleaner results, and you will get probably better looking results under those extreme circumstances. Some of them are quite capable of shooting extremely long exposures and simulating the effects of long exposures on other cameras. But the fact remains that whatever they work with the JPEG feed, they are going to give generally pretty poor results. Now, fortunately, there's a few newer apps which are coming onto the market which actually allow you to use the DNG as the feeder file. And in this case, they can come true on their promise. It's very likely you will see a better result. And in fact, my experimentation with some of these apps has shown that to be true. But I think we've still got a ways to go. But I should mention, there is nothing to stop you shooting in DNG in very quick sequences and then compositing those files together, or image stacking them if you like, in Photoshop or a similar editing program to get a vastly superior result. So we've got a few pathways, but we can't really expect too much from the JPEG only apps. I hope that clears a few things up.